Hi Tanya, my name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out this time and watching my video. I came across your company while doing research on plumbers in your area. My main goal today is to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, bringing in more customers and revenue. So today we'll start off with talking about three different areas. So one would be content, citations, and backlinks. So citations are anything that can be found on your website. So any words that you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and any videos. So in order to be ranked on Google, what they're looking for is at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. Now, the more words that you have, the more keywords you're able to implement. It's really important having those keywords because that's how people are able to find your business. So, that's definitely a recommendation. The next that we'll talk about will be citations. Now, citations are anywhere your business name, address, and phone number can be found on the web. Now, this may be through Angie's List, Home Advisor, LinkedIn, Better Business Bureau, Facebook, to name a few. The more citations that you have, the better people are able to find the business. Now, when I so I want to take a look here. So when I check for plumbers in Chico, this is what I found. So the first would be the paid for click, per click advertisement up here. So these companies are paying to be listed here. The next would be the map pack. Now it's very important to be in this area. Generally, when someone puts in a certain keyword or they're looking for a certain service, they will call or go to the website of the companies that are listed here. So that would be a goal to have you listed here in that map pack. The next would be the organic search. So the first that we come up with here is on Yelp. But the first organic company that we find will be MD Plumbing Chico. And then the second would be Earl's Plumbing. So those are your two top competitors. I was able to find you here on the first page at number 9. So let's take a look at their website. So this is MD Plumbing. So just want to show you briefly their website. Okay. It looks like you have some more content actually that you're using. So you actually are doing better in that area. And then the next would be Earl's Plumbing. Okay. So the next that we'll be looking at will be a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs shows how your website is doing. These are not 100% accurate, but it does still give us an idea. So I'm showing that you have 253 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that lead back to your website or bring in more traffic. So the more backlinks that you have, the more traffic you will have. The next will be keywords. I'm showing that you're utilizing 64 keywords. I'm showing that that's bringing in about 76 people to your website per month and generating a little bit over $1,000 in revenue. And if you look at your keywords that you're utilizing, first will be your business name, Plumbing, Chico Plumbers. Next will be the business name, accurate plumbing and leak detection. So these are just some of the words that people are typing in to find your website, okay? Plumbing Genius, the reviews, okay. The next is going to be MD Plumbing Chico. So they have 200 backlinks. They have roughly 106 keywords, bringing in about 83 people to their website monthly and generating a little bit over $1,000 in revenue per month. And because of that traffic, and this is what people are typing in, Plumbers Chico, Chico Plumber. Okay, again, their business name. Okay, so these are just some of the keywords that they're currently using. And then the next is going to be Earl's Plumbing. So they have over 19,000 backlinks. They have over 929 keywords. bringing in about 770 people to their website per month and bringing in over 8,000 due to that with that traffic. And then their keywords that they're currently using, again, their name here. Looks like they have some other areas that they're servicing. So plumbers, Reading, Chico plumbers, mobile home plumbers near me, Tubbs Plumbing. So these are just some examples that they're using. Now, one thing that we can do is we can take a look at more in depth of some of the keywords that they're using, and we can implement that in your website to help you be found or increase your ranking as well. So I hope that you have enjoyed some of these tips that I have provided. You're welcome to use these on your own. If you would like to talk about this more in depth, my phone number is 916-378-9773. Either way, I would love to hear feedback of what you thought about this video. You're welcome to call or send me an email. Thank you again for watching my video. Hope you have a good day.